Dun 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 dun. This is truly a work of art. The greatest NEX plane ever assembled by human hands. And today Nemo is going to fly it. Stick Nemo in the truck, Eric, my technical assistant, who's suffering from severe depression. Okay. Hopefully, the plane will go down this hill, off the ramp, and try to fly. But it probably won't happen, so don't get your hopes up. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready for awesomeness that will not happen? And go. Okay, try again. I know. Keep going. The antenna went straight through it. I know. Okay. Nemo got a pilot's license. Okay, keep it going. Why don't you just drop it and let it go? Yay! Woo! Yay! All right. And now, Eric, if you will hold this camera, please, as I give flight to this plane. Okay. Make sure your eyes on the prize. Where's Nemo? He needs to fly the plane.
Which way are you going to throw it?
I don't know.
Well, I'm going to be over here.
Alright. Going that way. And... Once more. The plane shall fly. Get off my hands.
Pick it up and, chuck it against the wall.
And break and put a hole in the wall like you did.